So in this video we discuss about the problem that are to be arise from the standard color models like the RGB and CMYK. So the RGB, that is the red green blue color model, which is not especially the intuitive model for creating the colors in code. For this purpose we use the combination of the different values of some colors such as yellow. To get the yellow color we add the equal quantity of red and green, and to get the other colors or the red color used on Coca-Cola bottles, lots of red with a little bit or the blue. So main problem arises with the what proportion of the color is to be mixed, and what we get the final color mixing results. So depending upon that the color selection is to be difficult, so less pure colors are much harder to guess in this color model. So there are some question arises like what values would you use for a dark purple? How about finding the complementary color for cyan? If we want to get the answer for these questions, then the humans do not think about the colors as the mixes of red, green, blue or white. So for that purpose, so that we get the name of those colors, but how much values to be added to get the lighter colors. So for that purpose we use the color models like the HSV and the HSI color model. So first of all we discuss about the HSV color model. HSV means the hue, saturation, and the value. It is a cylindrical color model that remaps the RGB primary color into the dimensions. These are easier for the humans to understand. So, when we are working with the RGB or CMYK model, it is bit difficult to understand. But when we are using the HSV model, then it is very easier for a human to understand. So it has the three dimension like the hue, saturation, and the value. From this diagram we see that it is a cylindrical shape, or we can say that it is of cone shape, cone की shape की तरह है. और from the front view, if we pick the front view or the above view, we can see that this forms a circle, or we can say that it is like a hexagonal. So there are some values that are to be represented here. Here the hue value is to be used. It represent the value. Value means the gray level value or the intensity value. And we have the saturation. What is the meaning of hue, saturation, and the value here? Hue means what angle to be used. Saturation value vary from 0 to 1, and the value also varies from 0 to 1. So we discuss these values one by one, or we can represent these by a cone, or we can say that it is the cylindrical form. So here we represent the value. When the value is equal to 0, then the color is black. When we are increasing towards high, when increasing the value of V, we move towards the lighter colors. So if the value is 0, then we have the black color. When we are increasing the value V equal to 1, 2, 3, then we get the lighter color. So as compared to the value, when we are talking about the saturation, here the saturation value is when S equals to 0, then we get the white color. So it is the opposite of the value. So when we are increasing the value of S, that is the saturation, we move away from the axis and we get the contrast value, high contrast value. So third point is the hue. Hue means the color representation with respect to the angle. For example, if we have the angle like the 60 degrees, 120 degree, 360 degree, the different color representations are to be there. So we are discussing these one by one. So what is the meaning of hue? Hue specifies the angle of the color on the RGB color circle. So if we are talking about this cone shape, if we take the top view of this cone, then it will be look like this. Then it is like a hexagon form, and each corner is represented by a different color, like we have the red, yellow, green, cyan, blue and magenta, and it will in between we have the white color which have the saturation value is equal to 0. So when we have the hue angle is 0 degree, which means that we get the red color. So for example, the next if we have the 120-degree angle, then we get the green color. So similarly to at the 240-degree we get the blue color, 160-degree we get the cyan color, 180-degree we get the cyan color, or with the different angle we get the different colors. So depending upon that, the hue value is changed. When we are changing the angle, the color is to be changed. Second one is the saturation. Saturation control the amount of the color which is to be used. A color with 100% saturation will be the purest color possible, while the 0% saturation yield grayscale. Clear? If we have the saturation value is 0, which means that color is represented by pure white. If we are increasing the saturation value more, the color will be contrast, or we get the darker color or the purest color possible. So if we talk about the same diagram like this with the different, on different angle we get the different value with respect to the hue. If we are talking about the saturation point, here the saturation value is 0, then we have the white color. When we are increasing the value is to be increased, or with when we are going away from this origin, this white color, then we get the darker color or the saturated color. So whenever you edit any picture on a mobile, so whenever we increase the saturation value, more the red color is appeared on the screen or the on the image. Why it is to be appeared? Because it may display the more darker image, or the more darker color is to be represented. Next is the value. Value controls the brightness of the color. For example, we already discussed that if the value V equals to 0, then that color is represented by black. So color with the 0% brightness is pure black, while a color with 100% brightness has no black mixed into the color. So the different color is to be represented. Because this dimension is often referred to as the brightness, the HSV color model is sometimes known as the HSB. B means the brightness. So hue, saturation, brightness is also name for this color model. So if we are talking about the comparison for these three values, hue, saturation and the value, then these three are interdependent with each other. So they do not depend upon each other. With the depending upon the hue angle, we get the different color. Depending upon the different value of V, we get the different color. Depending upon the saturation value, ranges from 0 to 255, or we can say that either the saturation value is 0 and 1. We can also represent this by these values, and value, that is the intensity value or the brightness value, is also represented by either 0 or 1 or 0 to 255. These values are not dependent on each other, or with the different values by mix represent the different effect or the different color representation for the HSB.